Hello, sweet friends and crafters. Welcome to Carol's Craft Cottage. Thank you for joining me today as I share with you a project that I created for my craft show. I've used the Scrapdiva Designs little coffee cup caddy and the coffee cup decorator die. Both of these dies I had gotten while I was on the design team for Scrapdiva Designs. I will check to see if these are still available. Also, if they are, I will link them below, and you will find tutorials that the design team had done about a year ago if you want to know how to put them together. So today my video is just a project share, and I'm going to tell you what I used to decorate and create mine. So I used that die. I used this die, which is a bow die with little heart cutouts. I used this butterfly die, and this is the same butterfly die that I used when I was creating with the cottage girls. And then also I used this, which is from KSCraft. This is Coffee Sentiments, and I will link all of these if I can find everything, if they're still available. So that's what I used to create these. I did not show you this one right here. This one has a little ladybug, and this is a CottageCutz die that I've had for quite some time. And this one right here is from a set of 2 ladybugs that I had gotten on AliExpress. But this is some ladybug paper that I had left over for some projects that I did last year, and I decided to make a little ladybug one. Also, these flowers, I do have a tutorial for that. I had started, maybe this is a second or third die that I had in my Cottage Girls design series, where I made these and some peonies. So check that out if you're interested in those flowers. So as you can see, this is super cute and great for a little gift. And I did put a K-cup inside this 4-ounce coffee cup, and you can get these 4-ounce coffee cups with lids on Amazon. And you see I used Hugs in a Mug. And there's the little butterfly, and I did back the butterfly with some gold cardstock because I wanted to use gold to highlight these colors. And then we have this one here. This one is some first edition paper that I got at Joann's, and I have some extra pads of paper under my desk from some projects that I made last year, and I pulled them out to do these. This is some recollection paper, and so is this one. It's a little pretty blue one. See, it says Hug in a Mug. This is recollection paper. This is an older series. This paper is probably 3-4 years old, but it's still pretty. And then this one is a printable that I got off of Etsy. It's a digital paper. And then this one is also a recollection paper from an older collection. I love the butterflies. I love the pink and purple together. And then I'm going to pull these in. I made these. These are so pretty. Now, I only used one paper collection for these, and I'll show that to you. These are some fall coffee cup holders, and these all have K-cups in them as well. And this is the paper collection I used for the fall ones. It's called Fall Break, and it is Cartabella paper. It's very pretty. I enjoyed using this for this project, and I used craft cardstock, which really gave these a super fall look to them. And I will show you some other dies that I used. Now, you know I'm a CottageCutz girls. If you If you have been following me for a long time, I have enjoyed using CottageCutz dies for a very long time. I was on their design team for a long time, so I have a lot of dies that I pull out every year that are my favorites. And these leaves right here, now I know that some of these are available and some are not, and I had linked as many as I could in my last video. We'll see if these are available. I use the Maple Leaf Mini, the Oak Leaf Mini, and the Leaf Mini. And the reason I like these leaf dies is because when you cut them, and I'll show this close up, you see the detail in these leaves. This is more detailed than the Tim Holtz leaf die. See that? And then I just use distress inks on my leaves to get them the fall colors in there. And the same thing with this pumpkin, the pumpkin mini. I'll show that to you up close. I just love that. It has these little slits in it to give dimension to your little pumpkin. And then of course it has the extra little piece for the stem on the pumpkin. So I grab these dies a lot when I'm crafting. And I know some of them aren't available, and I'm sorry about that, but I do love my CottageCutz dies. All right, so I'll show you. Now, I used that paper, and I did the gold bow, and then these flowers came from, it's a, let's see, here's the thing. It's from Hobby Lobby. It's Fall Crafts Mini Mum Stickers. So that's what these flowers are. So I didn't have to make any flowers. So these were easier for me. So I just peeled off the sticker on the back and then stuck this on the top. And I think it's so pretty. They're all really, really fall looking. And whatever the paper was, I used that a color flower to match it. You get burgundy, a deep orange, and a gold flower. So these are really cute for a little fall gift. Isn't that pretty? Here's one of the burgundy flowers. Because this paper has like a burgundy leaf right there. See, like right there, it matches that flower really good. And then we got this one with the acorns. And it has, see that like golden, and there's that golden flower. So that's it for my project today. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments section. If you haven't done so already, please subscribe. It really helps my channel. Hit the like button, and don't forget to also hit the notification bell so that you'll get a notification when I upload a video. I appreciate you all joining me today. Remember to sprinkle kindness like confetti wherever you go. And until the next video, happy crafting. Bye-bye.